morning. Hello, morning.
Hello.
Hi, hi, hi. Hello, good morning, welcome aboard. Hi, morning. Welcome. Hi, good morning. Hi, morning. Good morning. Sorry about that.
Wkrótce zamkniemy drzwi. Prosimy zatem o zakończenie rozmów telefonicznych i o wysłanie wiadomości.
We will shortly be closing the doors. Please complete any final calls or messages. Electronic devices may be used at all times if they are in flight. Laptops must be safely
Cabin crew on your doors for departure.
for takeoff. If you become aware of any electronic device being damaged or overheating, please inform us immediately.
Urządzenia elektroniczne mogą być używane, jeśli działają w trybie samolotowym. Na czas startu laptopy należy umieścić w schowku. Jeśli zauważą Państwo, że jakieś urządzenie elektroniczne zostało uszkodzone albo przegrzewa się, należy to niezwłocznie zgłosić załodze.
Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, very good afternoon to you all. My name is James Tyzak, I'm your captain for today's flight. Just wanted to come out first of all say I'm really sorry for the delay to your service today. Unfortunately, there was a big thunderstorm blowing through the airfield just when we were about to start our approach, so in the interest of safety we delayed it. A number of other aircraft were doing that as well. I think we're in a slightly better position than one of our colleagues operating with easyJet as well. They had to divert to Bratislava, they didn't quite have enough fuel to hang around. So anyway, we are here. Unfortunately, it gets worse. There's other storms in the area as well, so we have an air traffic control slot restriction that's going to delay our departure from now. At the minute, we're looking earliest airborne time about 10 minutes to the hours, about an hour and 20 minutes or so from now. Appreciate that's not great. Let me just say I'm really sorry. It's something outside of our control, and finally, we're all on your side. We want to get you to Edinburgh just as quickly and safely as we can. In the meantime, please just allow me to introduce the rest of your crew. Joining me on the flight deck is First Officer Ken Westwood. In the cabin, we've got a great team looking after you. Jason's your cab manager. With him, we've got Alana, Bence and Maureen. They're looking after your comfort, but primarily your safety, so with that in mind, once we get going, they'll take you through a short safety briefing. It just takes a few minutes, but does contain some important information about this particular aircraft, at least just for those few minutes, can ask for the courtesy of your full attention. We've got a few more checks to complete up the front here at the moment before we're ready to go. Once that's done, if anyone wants to come and visit the flight deck, big kids, small kids, you're very welcome. We'll get the seatbelt signs turned off. If you need to make any phone calls, arrange onward travel, please do so. In the meantime, thank you for your patience. We'll keep you updated with any changes. We will let air traffic control know that we're ready to go. There is a chance of some improvement in that slot restriction, so fingers crossed for that. There is actually another storm just to the north of the airfield that's probably going to blow through potentially in the next 20-30 minutes or so, so we may see that get through. Things might improve after that. Once again, we'll keep you updated, and thank you for your patience.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments the cabin crew will be joining you in the cabin to prepare the cabin for departure. If we could ask that you return to your seat and ensure that your seatbelt is fastened, your armrest should be down, tray table stowed and window blind open. The flight time back to Edinburgh this morning will be in the region of 2 hours 25 minutes. Allow us to introduce this morning's team. My name's Jason, I'm pleased to be the cabin manager. Working alongside me I have a great team. Looking after myself and you in the front we have Malcolm. In the centre very shortly Bence, and towards the rear of the cabin is Barbara. The cabin crew are here primarily for your safety. We're also here for your comfort, so in case you do need anything, please just ask. For now, sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. Seatbelts please, thank you so much. Seatbelts fastened. See you in the back. Seatbelts, please. Cabin's push. Ladies and gentlemen, as we make our way to the runway for this morning's departure to the lovely city of Edinburgh, we'd like to make you aware of our special offer. Located within the seat pocket, you'll come across our easyJet boutique collection. We do have an excellent range of shopping for you to take advantage of, and on today's flight, we're on the final days of our collection sale of a further 20% off all items featured within the brochure. So if you'd like to perhaps treat yourself, treat a loved one, treat myself and Malcolm to some duty free, then we have a further 20% off for you. For now, sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.
Prosimy o pozostawienie pasów zapiętych, dopóki włączona jest sygnalizacja "Zapnij pasy". Zalecamy pozostawienie pasów zapiętych, gdy znajdują się Państwo na swoim fotelu. Toalety znajdują się na każdym z końców kabiny. Przypominamy, że palenie jest zakazane w trakcie całego lotu i zakaz ten obejmuje również e-papierosy. Należy zachować ostrożność podczas otwierania schowków, gdyż znajdujące się tam przedmioty mogą wypaść. Wkrótce rozpoczniemy serwis pokładowy bistro, w ramach którego serwujemy szeroki wybór świeżych potraw oraz zimnych i gorących napojów, a także przekąsek. Szczegółowe informacje można znaleźć w menu znajdującym się w kieszeni siedzenia. Preferujemy płatność kartą kredytową lub debetową. Przy płatności gotówką akceptujemy funty, euro i większość głównych walut. Uprzejmie prosimy o odliczanie dokładnej kwoty. Jeżeli możemy służyć jakąkolwiek pomocą, jesteśmy do Państwa dyspozycji. Wystarczy się z nami skontaktować podczas tego serwisu pokładowego.
Thank you very much. Please prepare the cabin for landing.
We will shortly be landing. Please ensure your baggage and all personal belongings, including laptops, are safely stowed. Your tray table must be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open, and your seatbelt fastened, ready for landing. Please review the safety card found in your seat pocket as it contains important safety information. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Please help us by handing in rubbish, newspapers, magazines that you do not want to take with you. The toilets can no longer be used.
Wkrótce podejdziemy do lądowania. Prosimy upewnić się, że bagaż i wszystkie rzeczy osobiste, w tym laptopy, zostały umieszczone w schowku. Stolik musi być złożony, podłokietniki opuszczone, zasłony okienne otwarte, a pasy zapięte przed rozpoczęciem lądowania. Prosimy o zapoznanie się z informacjami dotyczącymi bezpieczeństwa na karcie znajdującej się w kieszeni siedzenia. W sytuacji awaryjnej należy zostawić cały bagaż na pokładzie. Prosimy o pomoc i przekazanie nam śmieci oraz zbędnych gazet lub magazynów. Od tego momentu obowiązuje zakaz korzystania z toalet.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Edinburgh, where the local time is 25 minutes to 2 p.m. The cabin crew will shortly be leaving their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the signs above you have been switched off. Portable electronic devices for messaging, calls or internet access may now be used. When you leave us today, please ensure you do one final check of the seat area, including the seat pocket, to gather all your belongings. Please include mobile phones, iPads, passport, wallet, purses, including any children. Do take extra care if you are using the lockers in case anything has moved. For any fellow smokers amongst us, just to let you know that you can't have a cigarette until you're outside the terminal. Once again, allow us to apologise for the late running of this service on behalf of the weather in Krakow, and we hope it doesn't cause you too much inconvenience. We'd like to sincerely thank you for choosing easyJet to fly with, and on behalf of the entire onboard crew, including Malcolm, it certainly has been a great pleasure being of service to each and every one of you on this flight. We'll shortly hand you over to WFS, who will be more than happy to assist should you require any help or assistance from us when you are in the terminal. Thank you and goodbye.